Gonna do
This one.
sound wave experiment.
We're doing this one.
Oh, you wanna do that one? Okay. So we take the string and we just tie it to the spoon. And then you put it to your ear and you make it vibrate.
I want garlic.
Да! Это для чеснока. So we wrap it around the finger like that and you put it to your ear. Ready? I'm gonna do mine. Let's see, like that. Like that. And I put it to my ear. And then we put this and hang the spoon. Okay, it's hanging. Now it's gotta be tight. I put it to my ear and you put it to your ear.
Oh.
I can hear it. Hit it. Ah. I hear it. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
I hear it. Okay, let's try something else. Okay, now we got this on. Let's see how that's gonna sound.
Hear it?
I do, but it doesn't sound as pretty as the spoon. Huh? Right?
Right. It's prettier than the spoon.
So now we're doing the ice cream scoop. David is ready. Okay. I got the string.
I can
ready.
already hear it.
Oh yeah? Okay, let me hit it. Let's see if it's gonna vibrate.
I hear it. Can I turn?
Uh-huh.
I'm good at it.
Okay.
I hear it.
That sounds pretty good too.
This.
Do you think that's gonna vibrate? It's plastic. The other ones were metal. Do you think that's gonna work?
No.
Well, let's try and find out.
Let's try the scissors.
Well, wait. I wanted to try the fork.
I'm gonna try the scissors.
Okay, they're part plastic. Let's see. Okay, we have... What do we have?
Scissors.
Hit it.
I am. Oh,
How does it sound?
no. Good.
I don't hear any. I don't hear any vibration. Oh, wait. I heard something.
What?
Try again. How about a fork? I think fork will work. Don't you dare! Это что за рожица? Help me find the middle of the string. Oh! Help me find the middle of the string. So you put two ends together and then you slide your finger in between all the way down. And that's where the middle is. So go ahead, hook up the fork in there.
I'm gonna do it this way.
It's not gonna hang like that. Are you doing an experiment too? Oh, I see. Oh, do it again.
I got it high.
Oh no, the burst.
No, it did, but they don't burn.
Let's see. Oh. Are you trying to blow a bubble into the spoon?
Yeah, it works.
Oh. Now do it again. Пытаешься надуть мыльный пузырь в ложку, да? I saw that, but the one before was bigger. That was cool. Oh, cool! I saw it. You did it. I saw that. I see your reflection in the spoon. Needs more soap.
Watch this. I'm gonna blow a bubble and it's gonna stand up and not pop.
cool. That was a big one.
I did something. Look.
So many bubbles. As a big and a little snow globe. Oh, you're making more. How cool.
Look.
Just sits there. Wow. So cool. Oh, that was huge. Look, this one is still here. И этот еще, смотри, держится. Он как купол. Oh, they didn't. Смотри на этот. Look at this one. Как купол. И этот как купол. Вау. Какой класс. Oh, that was... Oh, it just blew up. Он просто лопнул быстро. Быстро лопнул. Ну-ка. Так. А эти, смотри, стоят. Держатся, не лопаются. Почему? Hey, look what I made, David.
Holy cow!
Yeah, look. It's a gong. The gong. I can hear the vibration along the string. Wow, this is on a glass. Look at this one. Oh, that's a double bubble. How, wow, look at this one. Oh, не прилепился. Ну-ка еще раз. Как классно. О, смотри, сколько налипло. Вау. Раз, два, три, четыре, пять, шесть, семь. Вау, смотри, какой класс. Там два дубеля. Два двойных пузыря. Классно. Два двойных. Все поодиночке остальные. Вау. А тот не прилепился, тот улетел. Look at that, how cool.
Two.
Wow, that looks pretty. Look. Look at that. That looks very pretty. They're making something very pretty with our window. Мне очень нравится твой дизайн. Какой огромный пузырь! Смотри, какой огромный! Двойной. It's a double. No, triple. No, it's a triple bubble. It looks like a Mickey Mouse. Oh, look at that. It looks like a Mickey Mouse. Давай еще.
It
Does it?
looks like it's inside, but it's outside.
Класс, красиво. Ну-ка, что ты там еще сейчас выйдешь, давай. Нет, улетел. Oh, look, it's sliding.
Don't pop, please.
I know, смотри, он скользит. Скользит. It's sliding. Wow, cool. Oh! Никак.
Double bubble. Double bubble.
Yeah, look how pretty. Wow. Awesome. So you tie the string around your finger like that and you put it in your ear. What's that off? And then you hit the fork and the fork is gonna vibrate and the sound wave is gonna travel through the string to your ear and you're gonna hear it. Let's hit it.
Did it.
Okay, hold it to your ear. And look, I'm gonna hit the fork with a spoon first. So listen.
Ah!
Now watch. And I'm gonna hit it with the plastic. Look. No, it's good. Yeah, that does it too. Make it tight like that. No, hit it with the plastic and see what happens. No? Okay, how about this? Hold it there. Hold on. No, you can't touch it with your hand or you break the sound wave. That sounds nice. How about regular metal spoon? Давай, наматывай. Наматывай. How about this? Let me see. How about this? Look. Give me your ear. Give me your ear. Here. Now stand here. Stand here, because it's got to hang loose. No.
Tie it to my head.
Here. Yeah.
Ah! Wow, jeez.
Okay, how about that?
I'm standing backwards.
Oh, how about that? Okay, look, now I'm gonna hit it. Ah, you let me know how it sounds.
Good.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Better or worse?
Better.
Better? Really? Now I do it and you hit it, because I want to hear it. Get the scissors. Here. Wow, that sounds really wild. Wow. I can hear it through the rope.
Ha!
And now I'm going to hit it really hard, and you're going to feel it in your fingers. Yeah, you're going to feel it in your fingers. Look.
Ow, ow, ow.
Can you feel it?
Ow.
The vibration?
A little harder.
Oh.
Can't feel it. Oh, now I feel it.
You feel it in your fingers, right? You feel the string vibrate?
Yeah.
Now pull it tight. Oh, yeah, I know. I felt it when you were hitting it. That's the vibration.
Let's play this game.
Okay.